Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming hardware compatibility and gathering parts. First, check that your phone supports OTG in the specs or USB settings. This is why the connection will work. Next, pick the matching OTG adapter, USB-C or micro USB, so the pen drive plugs in securely. Finally, make sure the pen drive is formatted FAT32 or XFAT because Android often won't mount NTFS. Once done, you're ready to plug in and proceed to mounting. You'll now connect and get the system to mount the drive. Insert the OTG adapter into your phone, then attach the pen drive firmly. You should see a notification. When prompted, select File Transfer or the OTG storage option so the OS recognizes the drive. Open your Files app or a file explorer and grant storage permission when asked. This is necessary for read/write access. Once mounted, you can browse, copy, or stream files directly from the pen drive. Finish by transferring files and safely removing the drive. Use Copy and Paste or the Explorer's Move command to transfer files. Once transfer is complete, safely eject from the notification or storage settings to avoid corruption. If the pen drive isn't detected, try a different OTG adapter and test the drive on a PC. Reformat to FAT32 or XFAT if needed, and restart your phone. This single troubleshooting step often resolves mount problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.